Hey guys, it's Braden Haskell, and today we are doing a review of the Makita LS 1013 dual bevel compound sliding miter saw. So let's take a walk around the saw. First of all, it's got a hidden lever that reveals the blade guard. Second of all, it's got an ambidextrous handle with a safety switch, unlike most saws on the market today. It also has a soft start motor, which makes it real nice, a real nice clean cut. The dust collection is very effective, unlike other Makita saws. Although, it does, when you're beveling, it does bind a lot. To make a miter cut, we're going to loosen the miter adjustment lever. Use this button right here to bypass the detents. But there are detents at 0, 15, 22.5, 30, 31.6, and 45 degrees. To the right. To the left, you got positive stops at 15, 22.5, 31.6, and 45. And if I didn't mention it, it also has a positive stop at 0. To enable the slide feature, remove this lever right here, and now the saw should be easily able to slide. To lock it into the chop mode, push the saw all the way back and turn the slide counterclockwise. You should not be able to do it. Now, this one broke down a few months ago, and my dad got this one fixed. So he got this like big bad boy fixed, and now it works just fine. Let's talk about safety. Whenever you're around a miter saw, you want to wear eye protection and hearing protection. And then you're ready to get started. Never, ever touch the blade guard. Never, ever, ever. Never put your hand on the insert plate. Never get any metal like that framing square near the blade. And that's safety. Now for the cut. Get your workpiece and place it up all the way against the fence. Bring the saw head, and then I have to unlock it from chopper mode. The cut capacity can cut about a 2x10, which is about this big. So make sure the saw blade will line up with your cut. Hold your piece down hard. Bring the saw blade all the way up. Depress the safety trigger. Pull back on the handle and get the saw started. So I'm going to follow those instructions. And I cut this bevel off. And when you're making a bevel cut, move the sub base to the left, as it says. And this saw is really nice, but the bevels are bad because it binds a lot, like I already mentioned.